What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. So today, me and Scotty are hitting Trexler Nature Preserve. It's November 5th, 2020, and we're going to get a couple clips of the downhill trails, film with the drones, do whatever, have a good time. So I hope you guys enjoy. If you do, make sure to drop a like, comment, subscribe, you know, whatever you're feeling. So catch you in the vid. What are we doing today?
We're going to Trexler.
The
trails.
We're about to hit Duncan and send the trails, get some more clips, and shoot them all in the video. So, it'll be gnarly. Catch you on the flip, bros. You look like you're about to hit a 30-foot cliff. Goodness gracious. The thickums. Oh, yeah. Oh, it feels good to be back on a bike. Alright, what's up? We're currently walking down the trail because Scotty popped his tire. Always good news to hear. We're gonna go get a couple clips and then head out, so hope you enjoy the rest of the video. That's probably it for me talking to you guys, eh? Hey, yo, wait.